Google Admin, we got the tool from 0 to 100. To enter the world of Google Admin, we must first refer to Google's technology tools, in particular Google Workspace. At present, many companies have been organizing and planning a hybrid model, where teleworking takes center stage and is combined with the face-to-face modality in the offices. In this context, technological tools that function as facilitators of collaboration and communication between work teams become relevant, making tasks and objectives much more intelligent within the collaborative environment of their applications. So, this is where Google Admin comes into play, since to carry out the use of these services provided by Google Workspace for companies, institutions or educational centers, such as Gmail, Meet, Drive, Docs, among others, you must have a Google account manager who manages these tools or devices within the group. If you want to learn what it is and how to use Google Admin, we invite you to read the following post. What is Google Admin? Google Admin is the Google Workspace administration console where you can perform all kinds of monitoring, control and security tasks, such as adding or removing users, managing invoices or applications, configuring mobile devices, and everything that has to do with monitoring the bills. Once the Google administrator has been assigned, he will be able to help you troubleshoot or answer questions related to your account. Change your Google account password, in case you forget it. Activate Google services that you can use with your account, such as YouTube, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, etc. Where is the Google Administrator? The Administration Console or Google Admin Console is located at the URL admin.google.com. From there, once you have administrator permission, you can enter the console with your username and password to start managing the Google accounts, devices or services of your domain from there. In fact, when a new Google Workspace account is created, the first user that is forced to register is the Google admin. However, administrator privileges determine the functions that are available to you and the tasks that you can perform as such. For example, an administrator with the user's privilege can only perform actions related to users, so they will not be able to see all other roles. Depending on the role assigned to you as a user, you will have different types of access to the administration console. The Super Administrator is the highest rank, where you have full access to all panel functions. It is also possible to assign an administrator role that limits the tasks it can perform, so you can assign predefined administrator roles or create custom roles. Advantages of Google Admin: what can you do with it? With the Google Administrator tool, you can take control of your entire organization from a single platform and wherever you are. From tracking user activities, managing apps or mobile devices, to examining Google Workspace security settings for potential data threats. 1. Security and control. Data security and privacy are topics that resonate very frequently with Google in general and the Workspace and cloud tools in particular. For this reason, all Google services allow you to control how your organization's data is processed. In the case of Google Admin, the administrator protects the privacy of all accounts. Within the console, it is possible to add security options such as two-step verification, single sign-on or identity verification to protect your users' accounts against attacks and unauthorized access. 2. Support. Another advantage offered by the Google Admin Console is the possibility of accessing the Google Support service and getting in direct contact with a specialist, either by phone, chat or email, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Support options vary by subscription type, but there is always a way to contact support to quickly resolve any issues. To contact a specialist and receive help with your Google Workspace account, you must follow the following steps. 1. Sign in to an administrator account. 2. In the upper right, click 3. In the Help window, click Contact Support. 3. Reports. Within the Administrator console, you can access the reports. These allow you to 1. Analyze data and activities within your team. 2. Examine and detect any type of security risk in the accounts. 3. Diagnose configuration problems. 4. Identify who logs in and when. 5. Track the activity of administrators. Know how users create and share content. In addition, there are different types of reports that offer a wide variety of data and statistics. By means of tables and graphs, you can consult data related to the domain, as well as more detailed information about users. How to create, edit and delete administrator roles? The administrator role is not created as such but is assigned. Once you create a Google Workspace account, a user is automatically assigned who will be the main super administrator and who will be able to manage all the resources from the console. On the other hand, it is also possible to share the responsibility of managing the Google Workspace or cloud account by assigning administrator roles to other users. Another option is to assign a role that limits the tasks that the administrator can perform. For example, only manage service settings or change user passwords. 1. Assign roles. 1. On the main page of the admin console, go to Users. 2. Locate the user in the list. 3. Click on the user's name to open their account page. 4. Scroll down and click Admin Roles and Privileges. 5. Next to the predefined or custom role, click Activate. 6. Click Save. 2. Delete roles. 1. On the main page of the admin console, go to Admin Roles. 2. On the left, click the role you want to remove. Check the administrator box to select all administrators assigned the role. 4. Click Unassign Role and then Unassign Role. 5. Click Remove Role on then Delete Role. If there is no administrator role that gives the privileges you want, you can create a custom one. In custom roles you can include administrator privileges that allow you to complete certain management tasks in the Google Administration Console. Google Admin Console FAQ. Where can I manage my Google Workspace settings? You can manage Google Workspace in the Admin Console. To access it, log into admin.google.com with your Google Workspace username. Your username also includes your domain, as it is in the format yourname@yourcompany.com. What are user accounts? User accounts provide a name and password to access Google Workspace, as well as an email address. You can also create accounts to use as distribution lists and provide alternate email addresses. Can I import or migrate my email and contacts to Google Workspace? Yes, you can transfer your email, contacts, and calendar data when you switch to Google Workspace from another application or service, such as Microsoft Outlook. You have several options for migrating your data to Google Workspace, depending on the size of your organization and the system from which you are migrating.